To tell you about a website known as pixabay.com, from where you can download royalty-free stock images for your YouTube videos. As you can see, there are many photos which are there in their homepage. You can download any one of them. There's another option. If I want to search for cell phone image, then I will enter cell phone in the search bar. Now you can see there are many results which came for cell phone. Now if you want to use any image, you can download it. Suppose if I want this image, then I will click this one. This image is a free download image and it is licensed under CC-BY Creative Commons. It means it is free for commercial use. You can use it commercially or for your personal use. There's no attribution required. Attribution means that you will refer back to this image in your description of the video. So in this case, this attribution is not required. So there's no requirement for you to link back to the creator of this image. So let me show you how to download this image. So for this, I will click this free download button. Now there are 4 dimensions for which you can download images. This is a very small image size. This is average. This is perfect for your YouTube images. This is very large size, which you can see here is 5472 into 3648. It's a huge size. Suppose if I want to download this image, then I will click download. Now it will ask for CAPTCHA. If we are a registered user, there will be no requirement to enter a CAPTCHA code. So, and one more thing, the sign up is free. You can easily sign up in Pixabay for free. You need to enter your username, email address and password, and then they will send you a confirmation email from where you can confirm the email, and then you will be able to sign in into Pixabay account and you will be able to download all these images in various sizes. So right now what I will do, I will try to download it using CAPTCHA code. Let's click free download and then download. Click I'm not a robot. Now it is asking for traffic lights, so I will have to find traffic lights here. 1, 2, 3. It doesn't look like more. Let's verify it. Now it's confirmed. So just click download. As you can see on the left hand side, it has started downloading. Now you can easily find it from your computer and can edit it and use in your videos. So that's all how you can use Pixabay. I'm going to take you through another website. The name of the website is pixels.com. Here you can download royalty-free stock images for your YouTube videos. So let's start. Here all the images are classified according to categories. Here you can see the category of smartphones. Around 131 photos are there. Another category is water drops. Play the colors. If you are looking for images for people, you can find them here. Happy feet, write it down, birds, mellow yellow, beautiful background. If you are looking for backgrounds, this category will help you. Let me click. See, some beautiful images are here. This one looks great. Now talking about the downloading of these images, very easy. I just click the image. Now you can click this free download button. Now the image has started downloading. As you can see the drop down arrow button here. The original size of the image is this one. Large one is this, medium, small. So if you are looking for medium size, then click this option and download. There's another option of selecting custom size. Here you can define your width and height of the image, then click download. The image will start downloading. So this is a very good website for you to use images. Let's explore this website a little bit more. If I go to the browse section, you can see that discover photos, popular photos are there. Some popular searches are conducted on this website. Leaderboard, photo challenges, photos by color, tools. You can download an iOS and Android app for this as well. You can contribute photos to it. If you have good photos, you can contribute to this website as well. So this is how you can download great images for your YouTube videos. I'm going to tell you about the third website which is great for downloading images. The name of the website is unsplash.com. Here you can find beautiful free photos. Let's explore this website a little more. As you can see that these images are there. This looks amazing, you know. These photos looks great. You can download any one of them. Let me show you the collections. The collections are very good. Halloween collection is there, autumn collection, political, different themes are there. If you're looking for technical photos, you can find them here. Orange and red, animals photos, so many varieties are there. There's an option of submitting a photo as well. You can explore business images, women images, nature images, technology images. This website is free to join. Let me show you how to download an image. Suppose if I am looking for this image, then I will click download free. As you can see on the left hand side, this image started downloading. Now there's an option, they are saying thanks. Crediting isn't required but is appreciated and allow photographers to gain exposure. So they're talking about embedding the credit badge, but it's not required. So this is how you can download an image in this website. There are very good images for you to download. Another website for downloading free stock images. The name of the website is burst.shopify.com. Here you can download free high resolution images. These are all free stock photos which you can use for your website, commercial use, as well as in YouTube videos. As you can see, there is a bar for searching photos. Popular categories in this website are coffee, fashion, music, travel, food, nature and city. There are some top free picks of this week. You can download photos from collections. Now if you are looking for fitness category, you can go to this category and can find all the images which are related to fitness. Now going back, if I'm looking for a bike, I can find photos here. Now let me show you how to download an image. Suppose if I'm trying to download this image, this is an option whether you want to download the image as a high resolution image or as a low resolution image. The description of photo is also there. Person with a backpack pushing her bike through the city sidewalks. High resolution, low resolution. Suppose I want to download high resolution image, then I will click download free photo. The photo has started downloading. It's very easy. So this is another website which you must use to create your YouTube videos. These are free to use, copyright free. There's no need to worry about the last website from where you can download royalty free stock images. The name of the website is PicJumbo. Here you can find lots of images. As I'm scrolling down, you can see some popular images are there. More business related images are there. So this is how this website looks. You can find plenty of images here. Let me explore the menu. There are different categories here: holiday, love, nature, roads, author, interviews. Let me show you how to download an image. Suppose I want this image, then I will click this one. The image is coming here. Now I can download this image, free download. Now it's saying that now you are downloading, thank you. As you can see, the image has started downloading. So this is how you can download free images from PicJumbo. I will see you in the next section.